Good evening, sir.
Evening, sir.
Sorry, sir, I had some network issue.
Yeah. So yesterday we are actually discussing about the Facebook ads and the difference between business manager and the personal and accounts, and what is the difference between business manager, why I should create a business manager. Okay, so to show you how to create a business manager account and then step-by-step guide. So can you share your screen? I need a laptop. Okay, the mobile phone will not work. Should you share your screen?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Hello. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
So I need someone who can share her screen and I will guide her about the entire procedure, because I already have a lot of business manager. I can't show you how to create a business manager from that account. So I want to show you in the scratch. So anyone,
Sir, I'm
or
connected through phone.
so Shreya, can you share your screen? Do you are using a laptop or desktop?
Hello?
Can you share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just open, share your screen, then I will.
Sir, I need permission.
Shreya gave you the host, the sharing right, so you can share now. So this is a mobile. It will not work. Mobile. Don't you have a laptop right now?
Hello?
Don't you have a laptop right now?
No, sir.
Okay, just hold on. I don't know whether it will work or not. I have a scrap Facebook account. I'm just showing one. So can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
So it is the business manager page. Remember the URL is business.facebook.com. Now what I will do, so if you don't have any Facebook account at all, then you have to create an account. So if you already have a Facebook account that you can use for the business purpose, or you already have an account, any kind of account, you can just go to the login button, click on it. Now put your ID and password. So I have accessed the business manager, but this particular profile don't have any business manager account. So I am creating one. Create account. I have to put a name of my business, say Pinaki Digital. So this is a business name. My name is Pinaki, and your business email. So use submit. So you will receive a confirmation mail to your email ID and you have to confirm it. So this is how a business manager looks like when you just create a new account. So this is a scratch. Nothing is there, no pages, no ad accounts, nothing. Now you have to create it one by one. First of all, you have to create a page. Because in Facebook, page is the central thing. First of all, you need a page to promote your business. If you want to run a campaign, if you want to run ad, if you want to promote your business, first of all, you need a page. So there are three options: add a page, request access to a page, or create a new page. So if you already add a page where you are the admin, you can just click on this add a page. Say if you have a business page but you are not the admin, in that case you can request the access of the page. The current admin will get a notification through email, and if that person approves your invitation, then you will get the access here. And the last one is create a new page. If you don't have any page, you can create a new page from the scratch. So I'm creating now. So these are the category of your page, what kind of business you want to promote. It can be a local business, it can be a company, organization or institution, it can be a brand or product, artist, band or public figure, entertainment or cause. And so I am currently selecting company. So page name is Pinaki Game Institute. Category I have to choose education. Education. I'm creating a page. So a page has been created. So this is the page name, Pinaki DM Institute. And this is the people. So this is the only people who have the access. So now I have created the page. So by default, I have the access. Now, if you want to add someone, so if I want to add Menam, or if I want to add Shreya, what I have to do? Add people. Here, okay, I don't have anyone right now. So in that case, I have to go to the users first. Here I have to add a people first in this business manager. Say Shreya 123@gmail.com. Then Menam. So I have added two email ID. Then I have to select what kind of access I want to give them. One is the employee access. This access, they can only work on assigned accounts and tools. So this is a limited access basically. So they don't get the full right of that page, but they will only get that much of right on which they can use to work whatever assigned to them. That's, and then there is the admin access. They have the full control over the page. Even they can delete or remove the page. Okay. And these are some additional roles like financial analyst, finance editor, developer, like this. So I'm giving you the full access right now. Next. Now here I have to give them the access. What I have already given the admin access of the page. Now I have to select what kind of tasks they can do within that page. So manage page. So it is the full control. Selecting the person. Add accounts. Currently, I don't have any add account. Then I have to click on invite. So once I click on this invite, this particular email ID, particular person whom I have selected will get a notification on their email. And then they have to click on that email and accept the invitation in order to get the access. So this is how we can share access. So there are multiple layer of access. So when I am giving the admin access, they are actually getting the access of this business manager. Once they get the access of the business manager, then I can share them the role, the access role of the page. So there are multiple things in business manager. Business manager overall is an entity. First of all, you need to give the access to the business manager. Once the person is in the business manager, then you can add them to the page, as well as in the ad account, as well as in other assets like Instagram, WhatsApp, pixels, whatever you have. Okay. So this is how we can segregate my access level. So there are people who have the access in the business manager, but they don't have the access in the page. Rather, they have the access in Instagram account. Okay. Like this, we can segregate the access level. We can customize the access level in different channels. So that is the purpose of business manager, which is not available. This feature is not available in any personal account. It is only available in business manager. So why such kind of things are there here? Because say in a digital marketing agency where there are multiple clients. Okay. So in that case, I can't create multiple profile for every client. It is not possible actually. Even I can't run campaigns, multiple campaigns from the multiple clients in a single personal ad account. It is also not possible because each client has a separate payment method. They have separate credit cards, debit card details. They have a separate websites, separate pages, separate tracking pixels. Everything is separate, which is not possible in a single account. Also, when we work in an agency, there are multiple persons who actually work on different projects. So I am working on a project called X. There is another project called Y, on which I am not working, but my colleague is working. So everyone has their own project. Everyone has their own project. They actually handle 2-3 projects or more than that simultaneously. So if there is only one account, it is not possible to give the access to all of them. Basically, then it will be a security issue because I am working for the client X and my colleague is working for the client Y, but we are sharing the same access. There is a security issue. Mistakenly, probably my colleague can hamper my client's work, or even I also mistakenly hindered the work of my colleague. So that also can be done. Also, there is a data security. If you have all the access at once in a single location, then there can be a data security because here financial matters are also associated. Clients' payment methods are also there. Clients' credit card, clients' account numbers. These things are also there. So if everything is there in a single access level, then it will be a security issue. So we can segregate the access level in based on the people who are actually working on that project. Because that person will be accountable if anything happens. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Now I am going to the ad account. So I don't have any ad account right now. So again, the same thing. Add an ad account, request access to an ad account, create a new ad account. So I am creating a new ad account. So when I am adding a new ad, creating a new ad account, I have to mention all these things. The time zone, very important thing for an ad account. Why it is so important? Because and the time zone as well as the currency. So why these two things are very important? Because time zone helps you to run and schedule your campaign accordingly. Say your client is from US and your ad account time zone is India, then there will be an issue. Okay, so there will be a mismatch of timings. So probably you want to run your campaign uh, during the night hours, but in India when it is night, in US it is daytime. So this sync should not. I mean, it will create a problem between this timing sync. Okay, so we have to create. We have to mention this time zone accordingly based on your client's location. So currently I am from India. My client is also Indian. So my time zone will be also my time zone should be Indian time zone. If I am from India, but my client is from Australia, then my time zone should be of Australia's time zone. So this is how we can create the time. Then the currency. Currency is also a factor because for US clients, your currency should be dollar. For Indian clients, your currency should be INR. There is a difference between dollar and INR. Okay. So when you run a campaign for your US client or your Canadian client, say, or Australian client, in that case, probably your cost will go around $10, $20, $50, $300, like this. But you are running the same type of campaign, same targeting, but you are running it for an Indian client, then this particular amount will go like 30,000, 50,000, 10,000, like this, because there is a like difference between the currencies. The value of currency will differ. Okay, even the payment methods. So the payments, Indian payment method, like if I add a credit card or debit card from an Indian bank, the permissible currency is INR. But if we are adding something, adding a card from US or from other foreign countries, then they will take that kind of currency. So this is how it is important. You can't change it after creating this ad account. Okay. So this is fixed thing. You have to create it once. Once you click confirm, after that you can't change the time zone and currency.
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah.
If the client shifted to like another country, then how can we have to change the currency or the time zone?
See, say I am from India, I am working in an agency and I am handling a client who is from Australia. Okay. So in Australia, their office hours starts from normally 10 o'clock Australian time, but in India, it is around 6 o'clock, okay, in the morning. So this is the difference between Australian time and Indian time. Same for US. The time starts from 7 o'clock in the evening in Indian time, but that is 10 o'clock in US. Okay. Now, I am aware of it because I have already worked on it. Or say there is a Google, I can also check like which time zone and what is the current time right now. So like this, I'm just searching here. Australia time now. So it is 1:30 a.m. That is at night. It is midnight in Australia. Now I have to check, like I am handling an Australian client. So the time zone should be of Australian time and the currency should be Australian dollar, AUD. Okay. Now when I run the campaign, I have to schedule my campaign accordingly so that it run according to the Australian time zone or according to the Australian hours. Okay. So that I have to manage. Another thing is, there are two options in Facebook. One, you can schedule the timing, like on which period your ad will run. another option is you can continuously run your ad without any scheduling. Most of the cases, we opt for the second option, that is run continuously without scheduling the ad. So now I am creating the ad and it will run continuously until I pause the campaign. So in that case, what will happen is Facebook's algorithm work like day starts and day end, like this. Okay, so a typical Facebook ad actually start getting momentum during 9 o'clock in the morning, and it ends at 11:30 or 12 o'clock at night. Okay, without any manual intervention. So the ad will not actually stop, or but it actually stop delivering automatically, because in this period before 9 a.m. and before and after 12 a.m. most of the people go offline, and basically this is the time when people go for sleep. So the number of traffic in Facebook starts decreasing. When the traffic starts decreasing, automatically the reach and impression will also decrease. So in this way, the ad also stop delivering automatically. So you don't have to pause it. So that is why this time zone comes into the picture. So if I give the time zone as Australian time zone, I can check like on what time in Australia people are coming online, at what time people are going offline. So that I can track. Also, Facebook can schedule the Facebook will schedule the delivery of the ad based on this time zone. Like this time is according to the Australian time, this is the perfect time to deliver the ad. So it will deliver. Once the traffic starts decreasing, it will also slow down its delivery. So that is how it works. So that is why time zone is important here. Based on that time zone, your ad will work. And also the currency, because currency is also different. So each and every currency has its own CPL, CPA, CPC, whatever, like this. Because say one click in India cost you rupees 3 rupees or 5 rupees. I'm just giving an example. The same one click in UK or US gives you $0.2 or $0.3, like this. So that is the difference of value. So if you are using odd currency for a different country, say I'm running a campaign for US and my currency is Indian currency, then either that account, the payment method will get declined, or it will misinterpret the budget to me. So that will be the problem I will face. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So who will this ad account be used for? This ad account will be used for my business, another business or client. So it is my business. Wait. Okay. So now I am giving the access level. Assign. Add payment method. So my ad account has been created successfully. Now I have to add the payment method. Add payment info. See. Now here I have to add debit card or credit card, whatever I have. I need to add the tax information if it is required. So if you are running a campaign for a business, a very established business, in that case, it is important to add the GST number and PAN number. And you have to fill up the tax details. Why? Because while you run campaign in Facebook, Facebook will deduct a significant number of significant amount as a tax, as a GST. So if you don't fill up the tax info, you can't claim the return. I think you are all aware about tax returns, GST returns, tax returns. So if you don't provide your tax information, you can't claim the return. So that amount will be gone forever. So that is why tax info is important for any established business. Now, you say if you are just a small brand, or like you want to promote something, say, so like yesterday, Shreya show her like the Instagram page. So this is a very small initiative that actually showcase our hobbies, likings like this. So if you want to promote such thing, then tax information is not mandatory because it is just kind of entertainment. But if you are seriously running a business, which is an established entity, then it is a must thing you have to do. Next. Now you have to add the payment method, the card details. So you have to put the name, then the number, CVV, everything. So I'm just closing it because currently I don't want to add any payment method here. Okay. So now I am again going back to the main page. Okay. So this is the newest thing. This is business suite that I also mentioned yesterday. Okay. But I am not comfortable in this particular thing. So if you want to change this business suite and to go back to the older version, you just go to the settings. Sorry, feedback, and switch to business manager. Switch. So now this is the business manager. So I have completed the setup of business manager. Okay, so now this is the add account and this is the page. So I'm clicking the page. This is the page. So once you create one page, now there are some few things you have to do. Like there are some configurations you have to do within the page. That is, first of all, you need to create a username. This username is a unique thing. And you should have a username which will identify or which will be an identity of your business. Okay. So say the username can be Naki Digital. So this username isn't available. Okay. Yes, this is available. Now I can click and create the username. So once I create this username, my URL of this page will be like this. So this will be my page URL. If I create this username, facebook.com/pinaki-digital. Okay. So this is what username is. So first of all, you have to create a username. Then you have to add a cover image. You have to add a profile picture. You have to add a button. So button can be based on your business. If it is a restaurant, then you can put it like start order like this. You can also add call now, book now, contact us, send WhatsApp message. You can configure this button for booking appointments. You can configure this button to add phone number. Like this. You can add website link also, so that people will click on it and just redirect to your website. You can also add your WhatsApp message, WhatsApp number here. So a lot of options are there. So you can explore it. So you can test this thing. You can also test it.
Sorry, your voice is breaking.
Just hold on, internet issues. Yeah, you can test this button like this. Now, once you do all these things, your page will be ready. You can invite your friends or whoever is there in your friend list. You can also invite them, because initially your page don't have any fan or followers. So first of all, you need to add some people who can start following, or who can be your who can add some likes in your page. So in that case, you have two options. One, you can you can invite your friends, relatives who are there in your Facebook profile as a friend in the friend list. This is organic one. Also, you can run campaigns for page like campaigns at a small budget to generate certain amount of likes initially. Okay. So once you get a certain amount of likes, then you can automatically start organic promotion. It will be a slow one, but organic is the most steady thing. Okay. You can create posts and everything from here. Another thing is you have to add some information up in the page, like the username, description about the page, category, contact informations, address of the location, timings, and if you have any kind of privacy policy, or if you have some kind of product links, you can also add it here. So it is recommended that when you create a new page, you have to fill up all the details. If the information is available to you. There are some information like impression or price range. These are not mandatory, but if you have all these details, you can fill up, but it is not that much important, so you can leave it. But the main thing you have to add, like the timing, location, contact details, and also the general information about your business. This should be there. Then only you can say that the configuration has been completed. Now, within a page, there is another feature, that is page transparency. What is this page transparency? Page transparency will give one insight about your page. Like it is not required for the page admin, but it is actually required for the user, because this will give you an idea about who are managing the page, what kind of ads they are running, from which location they are operating. All this information will be there in the page transparency section. Okay, why Facebook brought this feature? Because there are a lot of fake accounts are there in Facebook, and they are just using Facebook for their own benefit. Okay, they are misguiding people. You are already aware about fake news, fake informations. Okay, so this is very prevalent in Facebook. Anyone in the Facebook can post a thing which can create some kind of instability within the country. Okay, so, and in Facebook, if the identity is hidden, then you can track who actually created this post. So that is why page transparency is there. It will give you an idea about a certain page, whether this page is genuine or not, whether they are, what kind of promotions they are doing, from which location they are operating. So these information will be there in page transparency. So I'm just showing one example of page transparency in the real life. Say, how many of you are aware about Unacademy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to the page of Unacademy. This is the Unacademy page. So they have filled up all their details here. This is the use app button they have used. And here it is the page transparency. So see, here it is written, Sorting Hat Technologies Private Limited is responsible for this page. So who are actually managing this page? This particular organization is managing this page. So any kind of things that can be an illegal thing, or that can create social instability in the country, such thing been posted in this particular platform, the legal authority in the country, so the police or the CID, CBI, whoever is there, will catch this people, whoever managing the Sorting Hat Technologies. So this is one. Now page transparency, I have clicked on the details, page history. So you can check when the page has been created. Primary location, India. This page is currently running ads. So here you can see the ads they are currently running. These are the ads they are running. Even the budget is also given. Budget impressions are also. So this is the transparency. Whatever they are doing, the information is already available in public domain. So you can check. If you have any kind of suspicion about any business, you can check the page transparency to verify whether this profile is good or not. I'm showing another page, like this is basically a media house. Okay. So I'm going to the page transparency of this page. So Create Talks Internet Private Limited is responsible for this page. See all. See, page history, page created. Arvind Kejriwal, the next Prime Minister of India. It was created on December 13, 2013. On the same year, on 24th December, the name of the page has been changed to the Logical India. Okay, so this is how we understand the agenda of the page, or whatever they are promoting, what is the motive of promoting such things. You can also understand this. So initially this page was created with some political motive, but now they established themselves as a media house. So they are also running ads. So these are the ads they're running. Understood? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I am again going back to this place. So once you create a page, you have to start the promotion, and you already aware about how to post in a page, how to schedule post in the page. You're already aware of it. Now another thing is, every page, say I am copying this thing here. So okay, so this is a page. See, page has a call option and a message option. So if someone message you, hi, so I am a user. So now where will this thing go? How I can understand that there is a message? So see, there is an option called inbox. See, the hi is here. Now I can chat from here. Hi, how can I? So it's here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now another thing is, so this is basically a manual chat. Someone has pinged the page, and the page admin is handling the chat. Fine, no issue. Now say I am on a leave. Not I basically the page has been on a leave, or probably it is a holiday season. So no one is there to handle the chat. And who will handle the chat? There is an option called automation. So you can create an automation from here. There's a very big level of automation you can do from here, but still it will work. Will be an instant reply. Hi, thanks for contacting us. We have received your message and appreciate you reaching out. Okay. And also add, I can also edit this thing and also add some emojis. I can also personalize full name. on. Now I'm clicking. It's not saved yet. Okay, so now it has been saved successfully. So now I am again trying to ping this business. Just move down to chat. Probably I'm doing from the same system. You do one thing. I am giving you the link in the chat, and you try to ping here and check whether the response is coming or not. Let me know once you ping. Shreya Menam, have you pinged?
Yes, actually, I am logging right now, so it will
Okay.
take.
Sir, my Facebook account is not activate at the moment.
Okay.
Sir, I have to message on the page.
Yeah, sorry.
So do I have to message on the page?
Yeah, you just write hi.
Okay.
And check whether the message is coming or not.
Sir, there is not showing any inbox like that. It's only showing that the page owner will receive the message, but it's not showing like the chat type one.
Can you show me? Like, I'm just stopping. Yeah. Can you just show me?
Okay, sir, 1 minute.
Yeah. So these are some of the frequently asked message. Okay. So you can click any on, or you can just type anything you want. So two options you have. Okay. So where is the chat option?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Uh, so there was a chat option, but it's not. Yes, sir. This one. Yes, sir. So now I've got.
Yeah. See. So this is an automated message. You have written hi and then hi 11. Thanks for contacting us. We have received your message and appreciate you reaching out. Like this. This is the automated message.
Yes,
So
sir.
this will ensure that no query will remain unanswered. So now again I'm sharing my screen.
Yes, sir. So at first it was not showing like that, but then with that option it was showing again.
So this is an instant reply. Okay. You can also put other kind of messages like away message. Okay. So you can schedule a timing like this time to this time you will be not available. Okay. So you can add time like this. Say Sunday and Saturday. You will not be available. Thanks for your message. We are away and can't respond right now. We appreciate you reaching out. So if someone message during this period, this message will go on. Sorry. So you can also filter and identify unanswered messages. So in a business, on a daily basis, you will receive at least 30-40 messages. So from this, you can get notification from for the unanswered messages. Frequently asked questions. So there are a few questions which are very common question, and most of the people actually ask these questions. So you can set up the messenger. Question 1. So you can write down the question. What is the course fees? And you can write it down the answer like this. And you can add. So whenever people will ask the same question repeatedly, they will get an automated answer. This is the automation part. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So I'm giving you a class assignment that you will show me on Monday. That is, create one business manager, and within that business manager, you have to show me a page and an ad account. And obviously, you have to show it from the laptop if you have currently if it is available with you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I'm concluding this session here.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Good night.